Hello, fellow anti-novelists and friends. Victoria here. First, I want to thank you for sticking with me through exploring the four-act story structure. That's going to serve as a really nice basis in order to launch us into the next steps. What we're going to do next is we're going to begin with our 8 major plot points. So if you haven't printed out the plot cheat sheet, do that. I'll link it below. Or just copy down the 8 major plot points so that you can use those as a guideline to start filling in what the main markers of your story might be. Then we're going to develop out a master timeline document that takes you through all of the beats of the story, and we're going to break down all of those beats again so that you can start deciding what kind of things you want to include in your story. I will definitely break down notes and how those get converted into cards for your Zettelkasten, and how those cards then get installed into your plot box so that you start sequencing things the way that you want your story to line out. So we've got a lot of really fun, cool stuff to tackle. I'm going to walk you through step by step, so give me just a little bit of time to get a few things tied up, and then we will tackle plot points and plot beats and how to start building out your story. So thank you again for joining me. I know time is your precious resource, and I very much appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.